Welcome to 534 Divisadero Street, a gorgeous 4-bedroom flat. As you can see, it gets lots of light. As you enter, these are the 2 bathrooms, split bathroom, gorgeous kitchen, bedroom, living room. Let's go check out the front bedrooms first. As you can see, extremely high ceilings, lots of light. Closet in the first bedroom. Continuing back, here you have your central heating unit, extra storage for whatever you might need. Here is the second bedroom, which you can see looks out onto Divisadero. Double paned windows, which is why it's so quiet in here. It's great. Huge closet, walk-in closet there. This is the third bedroom. And then continuing back, that's the first bedroom we looked at. Let's go into the bathroom. This is the split toilet area. And here we have clawfoot bathtub, gorgeous detailing, new appliances throughout, as you'll see, new fixtures. And then here is the fourth bedroom, which interestingly has extra storage on top. You can open that up. And here we have great closet, beautiful large windows, custom windows that were extremely expensive. And here we have the living room, which you can see has numerous windows, double paned, looking out onto the backyard. Great light. A built-in cabinet. And now let's go to the kitchen. Professional, extremely versatile and expensive hood, range, refrigerator, and a pantry. Look at that. And then of course you have to have your own washer and dryer if you're going to be in this unit, which you can see has a water boiler, washer and dryer. This opens out onto the backyard. Work out, do whatever you'd like. And there you go. So let's walk back through 534 Divisadero. If you're interested, shoot us an email, a text to check it out. Here's the fourth bedroom that we took a look at. There's the living room. Just turning around, kitchen. That's the staircase we entered from. Bathrooms, which you can see have great detailing. First bedroom we looked at. Here's the second bedroom. Central heating, double paned windows, new fixtures, new paint. It is a great unit. Right next to bars and shops and great restaurants like Nopa, Horse Feather, etc. And Bi-Rite, if you want ice cream, right next door. Thanks again. Let us know if you'd like to take a look. Appreciate your time. I'm gonna go back to that kitchen. Nice.